Little Amy Club.
Hello, little artist! Are you ready to draw a cute jellyfish? Let's draw together. First, draw a big round curve for the top of the face. Now, wiggle along the bottom. And one more time, wiggle, wiggle. Great job. Let's draw a cute face. Add 2 little eyes, a happy smile, and rosy cheeks. So cute! Now draw 7 long tentacles underneath. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome! Next, draw some little water bubbles around the jellyfish. Now it's time to color. Color the face light blue. Color the wiggly part underneath pink. For the tentacles, let's make a purple and blue pattern. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. Can you guess what's next? Purple! Now color the water bubbles blue. Next, add some darker shadows to the jellyfish and tentacles. You're doing a great job. Finally, add a few bright highlights to make it shiny. Wow, this colorful jellyfish looks amazing. Drawing is so much fun, isn't it? See you next time. Bye-bye.